how to make money as a student. This is one of my website. Way back while I studying in university, I uploaded some of my notes on my topic on this website that you can see. I able to get sold two of them, but then I didn't upload much of that. So here I'm going to talk about if you have a student studying on university or colleges, then you can make money online for free and you can make a passive income. All you have to do is, if you have an interest in any topic, then you make a simple notes on the topic, upload it into these 10 websites, and you make money every single day. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to make money as a student using these 10 websites. Hey guys, before we begin the videos, show your support by subscribing to this channel, like this video, leave a comment guys, so I know that you are liking this video. Also, if you want the free YouTube course, which I am working on it at the moment, all you have to do is leave a comment, I want the course, so I know how many people are wanted guys. This is the first website. It's called Stevia.com. I think this website based on UK because this is the website where I sold most of my notes on here. Basically, you have to create an account with it, upload your notes, should be on PDF format, set your price. Simple notes you can get paid around £1 or £2. If you're a university student and you are studying higher studies like medicines or lawyers, then you can sell your big notes on here for a bigger price, up to £450 or more guys, and you can make a passive income from it and you get paid through PayPal. These are one of my notes on here, and you can see which is charging £3.49. 35 is my thesis on my BSc degree, which I am giving away so they can use it as a sample. And another notes I am selling for £7.48. In this website, people around the UK selling notes. That could be you can sell your notes as your student, or you can sell the notes as a teachers or parent. If you have good knowledge with any topic, create a notes, upload it on here, and you can make a passive income from it. The second website is called docmerit.com, similar to Stevia, where you can upload the document and you can get paid for that. You can set up any price that you want and you can get paid through PayPal within 48 hours guys. Third website is called notesale.co.uk. This website based on UK. You can see upload your study notes, set your price, and wait for the cash to roll in. And also you can buy notes if you want, but if you want to make money, all you have to do is create a simple notes on any topic. So you can see a science topic, maths, geography, whatever topic you have a good clear knowledge on it, make a notes and upload it on here. Number 4 is called nexusnote.com. So you can see upload and earn money. Click that and you're going to create a free account with it, and you're going to upload the notes and you're going to make money from it, and you can get paid through PayPal. Fifth website is called hosthero.com. Again, it's similar to another website. You upload the courses or your study resources. Also, you can help with the homeworks and you can get paid for more guys from this website. This website is called hostheroes.com. Number 6 is called nodegen.com. Again, you can see upload and you get paid through that. You can create a notes on any topic that you have interest on. 7th website is called notesmade.in. Actually, this website is based on India. For my viewers who are coming from India, this is a perfect website for you. If you have a degree, if you have a studying in college or university, you can create the notes and you can sell it on here. You can see people are selling notes for 20 rupees. Some of them give it for free, and you can sell the notes and you can make a passive income from this website. This website is called notesmade.in. This website is located in India. 8th website is called OneClass.com. This is one of the favorite and one of the fastest growing website. You can create a notes on any topic that you are interested on. You can see that here lots of topics are there. You can chat with the people, you can answer the questions, make them to buy your notes, and you can make money from it. Again guys, this website also have a referring program, basically an affiliate program. If you refer this website to any of your friends or family members and they go through website and they buy notes or subscription from this website. You can make anywhere between $2 to $24 per subscription that you can check it out on here. Go and check it out. This website is called OneClass.com. Ninth is called Studysoup.com, which is pretty much similar to other website. You can sell your study guides, you can help with the homeworks, and you can make money from it, and you can solve the textbook solutions, and you can make money from this website. Easy and simple. Create your free account with it, upload your study material and notes, and you can make money from it. Number 10 and the final website is called OmegaNotes.com, which is again similar to other website where you can upload and you can get paid for that. This video is for the students who are looking for work. If you promote this website outside this website, for example on your social medias or your friends, and you can get more sales for your notes and you can make more money from it. If you are a student and looking to make money online in different ways, this is one of the best ways. So if you have any questions or comments, leave that below this video. I will answer you for you guys. Under that, have a good day. See you in next video.